We're taking Bubbly by DRIZZLE, and I should have this video up already. If I don't, I am so sorry. I am taking this and I'm going to apply it all to the nails. We are going to fully coat these bad boys. And you can do 2 thin coats or 1 thin coat. Totally up to you. I get pretty good coverage in 1, but you know.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the...
All right, so I went ahead and did a matte top coat. So I am going to wipe that off. All right, I'm going to take this. This is that like string gel, or I don't even know what you call it. Like yeah, that stuff. I'm gonna go sideways, so excuse me, so I can do it correctly. And I don't want it to be too thick. Yeah, less is more, I think. And you want to make sure that you get anything that is on your skin off before you cure, and I'm going to cure that. I might add some silver. All right, I will link this below, but I had to really get this matte. I used the Ugly Duckling matte top coat, didn't work, so I needed to go in one with a little bit more grip, but I'll link the pens below. They're micro something, but eventually it did work once I got a really good matte top coat on there. I think I used Gelish. All right, I'm gonna take this CATEYE gel. If you guys have been on my channel, I have quite a few different tutorials on these. I don't know what one's going first, but I do know I have one for sure that is doing really well. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm placing 2 essentially little dots and then running it down. But I'm going to do the CATEYE effect. So I wanted it to be relatively thick. And for some reason this one is stuck to my tool. So I'm gonna roll with it.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside.
Okay. I just look. You know what? I'm gonna grab white.
The upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain...
Y'all know I can't hand paint for anything, so is this dry? All right, I'm gonna do a heart, one heart at a time, because I want that metal effect or that jewel effect on each one. So yes, I am going to take the time to do each one.
Face, I stood and wait because we are in pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if
I feel like we had a chance and it just went downhill.
say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
You can double top coat if you don't want to see those kind of lines. It doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, I highly recommend double top coating.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
All right, here is the final look. Not gonna lie, I wish this was maybe on this guy. I don't know. I love it either way, but all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Perfect 10.